小朋友，我们学了上百个中文字了。We have learned hundreds of Chinese characters. Most of these characters have one meaning when they're used alone, but they can be combined with other characters to form a lot more meanings, just like Lego blocks. They're useful by themselves, but even more beautiful when they're combined with others. For today's class, we will do a deep dive into some of these characters to find new words for them, starting with this word, 过. Simply put, 过 can mean to pass through or to go across, but it can be used with other characters to form other meanings. We first saw this character when we learned about celebrating the Lunar New Year, known as 过新年. Similar to 过新年, we can use 过 with a period of time to describe us living or passing through that time period. Here are a few examples. 过夜 means to pass the night. 我今晚要在朋友家过夜. I'm going to spend the night at my friend's house tonight. 我今晚要在朋友家过夜。换你试试看。很棒！ Can we describe passing the days in the same way? Yes, but we don't say 过白天. Instead, we use 过日子 to describe passing of the days. 爸爸妈妈说好了，他们要一起过日子。Mom and Dad have agreed. They will spend their days together. Isn't that sweet? 爸爸妈妈说好了，他们要一起过日子。换你试试看。